This section is on prioritizing tasks with Python dictionaries and AI. In today's fast-paced world, managing tasks effectively is crucial for productivity. Not all tasks are created equal. Some need immediate attention, while others can wait. By using dictionaries in Python, you can easily organize and prioritize tasks based on their importance. So in this lesson, we'll learn how to use dictionaries to assign priorities to tasks and leverage AI to manage them more efficiently. Let's talk about understanding dictionaries first. Before we dive into task prioritization, let's first understand what dictionaries are in Python. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, where each key is unique and it is used to store and retrieve values. For example, a dictionary that stores the capital cities of countries might look like this. Here, France, Japan, and Australia are the keys, while Paris, Tokyo, and Canberra are the corresponding values. Dictionaries are also incredibly useful when you want to store and retrieve data that's associated with specific keys. Let's create a dictionary to store tasks and their priorities. In this dictionary, the task description will be the keys and their corresponding priorities will be the values. Let's paste it here. In this dictionary, the task "Prepare for client meeting" has the highest priority, with a value of 1, while "Review budget report" has the lowest priority, with a value of 3. You can easily access the priority of a specific task using its keys. For example, to get the priority of the second project, update email task and you would do the following. For this, let's make a new cell. So it says priority, task priorities, and then send project update email. And then it prints priority of send project update email. So the priority is 2. If the priority of a task changes, you can update it by reassigning a new value to the key. This might look like this. Task priorities review budget report is equal to 1 and then update the priorities. So this code updates the priority of review budget report to 1, making it just as important as preparing for the client meeting. Moving on, now let's take it a step further by using AI to help prioritize tasks. Imagine you want to assign priorities to tasks based on their urgency, importance, and deadlines. You can use an AI model to analyze the task and assign priority levels accordingly. Here's an example of how you might use AI to do this. So this is a lengthy code. It says task, complete the quarterly report, schedule team building activity, and respond to client. And then the urgency level from 5, 3, and 2. Then there is a list named task priorities. And then we used a for loop and then we printed all the priorities. So for now it has given an error as we have not included the LLM response library. In this example, the AI model analyzes the urgency levels and assigns priorities levels accordingly. The task priorities dictionary will now store these tasks along with the AI determined priorities. Once you have used your task prioritized, you can automate the management of these tasks using AI. For example, you might want to receive reminders for high priority tasks or generate a daily plan based on those priorities. Here's how you could automate the reminders. You might need a code that looks like this. It has a for loop and then a conditional statement if and else if. The priorities are set to 1 and 2, and then again we use an LLM response. So in this example, the AI model analyzes the urgency levels and assigns priorities level accordingly. The task priorities dictionary will now store these tasks along with the AI determined priorities. And once you have your task prioritized, you can automate the management of these tasks using AI. For example, you might want to receive reminders for high priority tasks or generate a daily plan based on those priorities. This script sends reminders for tasks that are of highest and second highest priority, ensuring that you stay on top of your most important works. As you manage your tasks, you'll often need to add or remove tasks from your list. Adding a task on a specified priority is straightforward. For this, you might need a code that looks like this. Task priorities draft new project proposal, priority is set to 2, and then updated task list. If a task is completed or no longer relevant, you can remove it from the dictionary. For this, you can use delete task priorities, schedule team building activity, and then print the task after removal. This keeps your task list clean and focused on what's more important. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use dictionaries in Python to prioritize your task. With the help of AI, you can automate the process of assigning priorities and managing your workload more effectively. So, whether you're managing a busy work schedule or juggling multiple projects, using dictionaries for task prioritization can help you stay organized and focused on what truly matters. In the next video, we'll explore how to integrate these concepts into a fully fledged task management system using Python and AI. So stay tuned for more insights on automating your daily workflow and experiment with these.